Exercise. First question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate term. A. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the dash of the air. The answer is temperature. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the temperature of the air. B. Water does not have a dash but has a definite dash and dash. Answer: shape, mass and volume. Water does not have a shape but has a definite mass and volume. While freezing, the dash of water is lowered. Answer: density. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. Dash soil has pH 7. Answer: neutral. Neutral soil has pH 7. Second question. Why is it said that A. Air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases? Because all gases in air are completely mixed into each other to form a uniform composition. The various gases in the air are present in a definite proportion by volume. B. Water is a universal solvent because many solid, liquid and gaseous substances are dissolved in water than any other liquid. There is no alternative to water for cleaning purposes because water is colorless, odorless, transparent and liquid at normal temperature and easily available in nature. Therefore, it is irreplaceable for the purpose of cleanliness. What will happen if A. The amount of water vapor in the air increases? Answer: then the humidity increases and we feel dampness, overheat and tired because sweat evaporates slowly. Only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil. Then the same nutrients are used by crops and the fertility of the soil is decreased. To restore fertility, leguminous plants are cultivated. Fourth question. With whom should I pair up? Group A, air, water, soil. Group B, excretion, scattering of light, plasticity. Answer: air, scattering of light. Water, excretion. Soil, plasticity. Fifth question. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. It's right. The substance in which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. It's right. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. It's also right. Sixth question. Explain the picture in your own words. In the picture A, water is in the liquid form. Then it turns into ice in the picture B. When water turns into ice, it expands because of its anomalous behavior. Write answers to the following questions in your own words. A. How is light scattered by the air? When rays of light falls on the minute particles of the air, the particles of the light spread in all the directions. This is the natural phenomenon. Explain the various properties of water. Properties of water. Water is colorless, odorless, transparent, and liquid at room temperature. Water does not have its own shape, but has definite shape and volume. Water has a tendency to flow easily. Water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Water has the highest specific heat. Hence, water is an excellent coolant. Many substances are dissolved in water. Therefore, it is called universal solvent. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Many salts are dissolved in seawater. Due to increased mass of the salts, density of the seawater is more than that of rainwater. What is the importance of good soil structure? Good soil structure increases the supply of oxygen and water drainage that helps roots of plants to grow well. What are the various uses of soil? First, plants grow into the soil. Second, water conservation. Soil holds water. We can get water by means of bunds and lakes. Third, soil can be given any required shape to make articles. Fourth, china clay used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tank, laboratory articles, laboratory apparatus, mask, jar, etc. Shadu soil used to make statue and idols. Terracotta soil used to make decorative articles and pots. Multani clay used in cosmetics. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Color, texture, and organic matter in the soil is tested to find out deficiency of the soil. Then farmers can decide measures to remove the deficiency and increase the fertility of the soil. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Medium is necessary for the transmission of sound. All the sounds that we hear reach us through the surrounding air. Air is useful as a medium for the transmission of sound. Sound cannot be traveled through the vacuum. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Because glass bottle breaks when water turns into ice. Water expands due to anomalous behavior below 4 degrees Celsius.